Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2091 code? This code indicates that the camshaft position actuator control circuit on bank 2 is receiving a higher than normal voltage signal. If ignored, it can disturb valve timing control and cause unstable engine performance. P2091 stands for camshaft position actuator control circuit high, bank 2. In simple words, the ECU is detecting excessive voltage in the VVT actuator circuit on bank 2, usually caused by a short-to-power, wiring fault, or faulty actuator. Common symptoms include check engine light on, unstable idle, jerky acceleration, increased fuel consumption, and engine hesitation. In some cases, the engine may enter protective mode due to improper timing control. Now the most important part: component and sensor locations. The camshaft actuator solenoid is installed on the cylinder head on the bank 2 side near the timing cover. It controls oil flow to adjust camshaft timing. The camshaft position sensor is mounted close to the camshaft on the same bank. The wiring harness connects the actuator directly to the ECU and passes through the engine bay where heat damage may occur. For quick diagnosis, monitor camshaft actuator voltage and timing values using a scan tool. Inspect the wiring harness for melted insulation or short circuits. Check the electrical connector pins for corrosion. Also verify engine oil condition and pressure. If voltage remains high even after wiring inspection, replacement of the VVT actuator solenoid may be required. Finally, repair wiring shorts, replace the faulty actuator, clear the code, and perform a complete drive cycle. Fixing P2091 ensures stable camshaft timing and proper engine performance.